Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make Victoria sponge cake. So super yummy, very fluffy, very soft, and with the addition of the cream, just come along with me and let's do this together. Our Victoria sponge cake, we need flour. I'm using self-raising flour, sugar, butter, baking powder, salt, vanilla, eggs, milk, and later we'll be needing cream, strawberry jam and strawberry. In a clean bowl, mix your sugar and butter until very soft and fluffy. Add in your eggs and mix. Now I'll be adding my milk. I'll be adding a pinch of salt because I use unsalted butter. You can leave it out if you don't want to. Then vanilla extract. Then I will mix everything together. Now I'll be putting in the flour and the baking powder. So mix them together. I'll sieve the flour in. The measurement of everything I'm using is in the description box. And I will gently whisk it in. I'll finish mixing the cake batter. I've already prepared my 8-inch pan, and before I started mixing the cake batter, I've already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. The cake batter I've already put it in the pan. It's an 8-inch pan, and I'm putting it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Our Victoria sponge cake is ready. So I've allowed it to cool for 10 minutes for bringing it out of the pan, and I'm going to cut through it to divide it into 2 equal parts. Then I'm going to show you what we'll be doing. Now look at our cake, our Victoria sponge cake. Look at it, soft, very soft, moist on the inside. Now I would like to put jam on it. This one is strawberry jam. It's optional. Mine has no seed in it. Now this is the cream. Then I'm going to just spray it on it. So what I did was I just drizzled some strawberry jam on it. Then I'll cover it with the other side of the cake, the other side that I cut. I'm going to cover it. Look at it. Then I will just dust it with powdered sugar. This is optional. Then arrange strawberry on it. Now let me give this a taste for you. So spongy, the cream, the strawberry jam. So nice. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover a lot. And as you discover, you will enjoy. Like today, we have discovered that we can make Victoria sponge cake. So super yummy. The cream in it with the strawberries, or you can use raspberries or any of the berries you want. So nice. If you like what you've seen so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave your comments in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. It is free, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.